Flocky, thank you very much for chatting to me.
Yeah,
It's always such a pleasure. I know we chatted once or twice in the past, but it's great to chat to you and get your insights. I mean, I know you just come off a very successful Six Nations, and we already heard that the French team won't be the A team because of the power of the club or the say that the clubs have. But I want to talk about the Nations Championship, and I know that some countries will take it very serious and some countries might not be. But I mean, that's an opportunity. I know the Springboks come to France in November. So talk to us about that big game. I know there's been since the World Cup, there's been a lot of talk, and last year the Springboks won quite comfortably. Do the French have that game? Where does the French put that game, that November game, in terms of their priorities?
no. I think the Six Nations and the autumn series in November is always important for the French because they're playing in France, they're playing in front of their home team and the faithful supporters, and the game against the Springboks end of the year will be again like the previous test. It will be a big one, and as Fabian always say, and we always say, you play against the world. You play against back-to-back world champions, and you want to measure you against the best. You want to see where you stand against the best in all departments. So for us, it's an important test to test ourselves against the best and to see where we are. And obviously, it's always a great rivalry. It brings the best out of our players. The media like it, and the French supporters like that type of game, because of the respect that they all in France have for the Springboks and what they achieved over the past couple of years for winning the World Cup, etc. So yeah, it's a big game for us, but also an important one for us with our continuity and our progress, and also to see where we are with big pressure games going up to the World Cup, which will be a year later.
Yeah. Part of the thing, I mean, obviously, because France taking a second string or a mixed team to New Zealand and Australia for the start in the July internationals. The big thing is that November games, it's a year before or just less than a year before the World Cup. How important is that in terms of your World Cup track record, or in terms of the World Cup?
Massive importance, because the squad that the big squad that you will be working with in the November Test series will be the same squad that you will work with in the Six Nations. And then after the Six Nations is finished in April or in March, then obviously you have a month or two, whatever, and then you have to start preparing for the World Cup. So the November test is massive important for us, about our squad, the squad selecting our depth, number 1, 2, 3, 4 in each position, going into the Six Nations. You want to have a good Six Nations. You want to have a successful Six Nations, because that's all leading, those two tournaments, all leading into good momentum into your squad, going into the preparations for the World Cup and then go to the World Cup.